Hi guys, this is SN Nakvi from Android Speaks. Today we're gonna talk about LG's patent. LG patents foldable smartphone. LG established a new smartphone design with three displays. The operating method is also explained. LG Electronics applied for a patent at the end of 2015 at WIPO that related to a foldable smartphone design. The appeal took some time. It took until November 2017 before the patent was approved. The entire patent has been drawn up in the English. Different concepts are shown. All have one thing in common. It is a foldable smartphone with multiple designs or multiple displays. LG foldable smartphone design. First of all, the patent describes a relatively simple concept with two displays. The phone is foldable in such a way that the back side can be foldable to each other. When we see a series of variants with three displays, one concept shown the main screen with the main camera and the home button. In the middle, with the other display drawing, we see that the main display is placed on the left or right. This is described different ways to fold the mobile device together. The illustrations gives a good impression of a possible in this respect. These are multiple images on multiple displays that LG foldable smartphone can be like this. Finally, LG may also see chances to apply this child or feature to the others. This has been described as following. Although the foldable device is preferably a mobile communication device, the foldable display device may be a laptop computer or a personal computer, a tablet device, a portable navigation device, a portable video player, or personal digital assistants and other similar devices. So guys, this is all about the LG's new patent foldable display.